Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm your host, Jayson.
And I'm Julia, your co-host. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If this is your first time listening, welcome. This podcast is made to help you improve your English while also learning useful ideas for your life.
Yes, exactly. You can practice listening, learn new words, and get motivated at the same time.
Today's topic is very practical and very powerful. We're going to talk about 10 morning habits of successful people.
That's right. We all start our day in different ways, but the way you use your morning can really change your whole day and even your whole life.
Successful people don't become successful by accident. They build small, good habits every day, especially in the morning.
And the good news is these habits are simple. Anyone can learn them. You don't need to be rich, famous, or perfect.
In this episode, we'll share 10 easy habits you can try in your own morning routine.
You can choose just 1 or 2 habits and start small. Little changes can make a big difference.
So get comfortable, relax, and let's begin our list of morning habits for success.
Let's get started.
So, Julia, before we talk about the 10 habits, let's answer one important question. Why do morning habits matter so much?
That's a great question, Jayson. The morning is the start of your day. What you do in the first hour can affect your mood, your focus, and your energy for the rest of the day.
Exactly. If you start your day feeling calm and in control, you usually feel better all day.
But if you start your day in a rush, checking your phone, feeling stressed, feeling late, that stress follows you everywhere.
Successful people understand this. They use their mornings to prepare their mind and body for the day.
It's like setting the direction of a ship. If you choose the right direction in the morning, your whole day moves in a better direction.
That's a nice example. Morning habits help you build discipline, focus, and positive thinking.
And they help you feel that you are in control of your life, not just reacting to problems all day.
So success is not only about big goals. It's about small daily actions that you repeat again and again.
Yes, small habits done every morning can slowly change your health, your mindset, your work, and even your confidence.
That's why today's habits are simple but powerful.
And remember, you don't need to do all 10 habits. Just choose one and start there.
All right, now that we know why mornings matter, let's go to our first habit.
Habit number 1 is all about how you start your day.
All right, Julia, let's start with habit number 1. Wake up early.
Yes, waking up early is a very common habit of successful people. But Jayson, why is it so important?
When you wake up early, you get quiet time before the world becomes busy. You can think clearly, plan your day, and focus on important tasks.
Exactly. Mornings are usually peaceful. Less noise, fewer distractions, and your mind is fresh.
And when you wake up early, you can do things you want to do, exercise, read, or even practice English before other responsibilities start.
I love that. It's not just about getting up early. It's about using the time wisely. Even 30 minutes of focused work in the morning can be very productive.
Also, waking up early helps your body and mind follow a routine. Your sleep becomes better, and your energy lasts longer during the day.
That's right. And don't worry if you're not a morning person now. You can start small. Try waking up 15 minutes earlier than usual, then gradually more.
Exactly. Small steps. The key is consistency.
So habit number 1, wake up early and start your day with purpose.
Great! Now let's move on to habit number 2.
Habit number 2 is something most of us do without thinking.
Okay, Julia. Habit number 2 is a big one. Don't touch your phone first thing in the morning.
Oh, yes! This is so important. Many people wake up and immediately check messages, emails, or social media.
And that can start your day with stress or distraction. Instead of focusing on yourself, you start reacting to everyone else's problems.
Exactly. When you check your phone first, you can feel rushed, anxious, or even compare yourself to others. That's not a good start to the day.
So, what should you do instead? Spend the first few minutes of your morning doing something for yourself, like drinking water, stretching, or planning your day.
Yes, even just 5 or 10 minutes of quiet time can make a big difference. You feel calm, focused, and ready to take on the day.
Think of it like this. Your morning sets the tone for your whole day. Don't let your phone control it.
And don't worry, you can check your phone later after you've finished your morning routine. The first part of the day is for you, not notifications.
So habit number 2, start your morning without your phone and notice how much better your day feels.
Exactly. Now let's move to habit number 3. This one is simple but powerful.
All right, Julia. Habit number 3 is very simple but very important. Drink water first thing in the morning.
Yes. After sleeping, our body is naturally dehydrated. Drinking water helps wake up your body and mind.
Exactly. Water improves your focus, energy, and even digestion. It's like giving your body a fresh start.
And it's really easy. Just a glass of water before anything else in the morning can make a difference.
Some people even add a little lemon for extra freshness. But the key is to start your day hydrated.
Yes, small actions like this build a strong foundation for your day.
So, habit number 3. Drink water first thing in the morning. Simple, quick, and powerful.
Next, we'll talk about habit number 4, something that gets your body moving and your energy up.
All right, Julia. Habit number 4 is move your body.
Yes, physical activity in the morning is amazing. It wakes up your body, improves your energy, and helps your mind focus.
Even small movements like stretching, yoga, or a short walk make a big difference.
Exactly. You don't need to do a full workout. Just 5 to 10 minutes can get your blood flowing and your body ready for the day.
Exercise also releases good chemicals in your brain, like endorphins. These make you feel happier and less stressed.
And moving your body in the morning helps with better posture and more energy throughout the day.
I love that. It's like telling your body, "Good morning, let's get ready for a great day."
Yes, and combining movement with other habits like drinking water or meditating makes your morning routine even stronger.
So habit number 4, move your body and feel the difference in your energy and mood.
Next, habit number 5 is something that helps you plan and control your day.
All right, Julia. Habit number 5 is plan your day.
Yes, planning your day in the morning can make you more organized and less stressed.
Exactly. When you know what tasks are most important, you can focus on them first.
You can use a simple to-do list, a notebook, or even your phone, whatever works for you.
And don't try to plan everything perfectly. Just 3 to 5 important tasks for the day is enough.
Yes, it gives you control. Instead of reacting to everything, you can take action and be productive.
Also, planning your day helps your mind feel clear. You don't waste energy thinking, "What should I do next?"
Exactly. And when you finish tasks, you feel satisfied and motivated for the next ones.
So habit number 5, plan your day in the morning. It's simple, but very powerful.
Next, habit number 6 is about something that can change your mindset and your day.
All right, Julia. Habit number 6 is practice gratitude or positive thinking.
Yes, starting your day with a positive mindset can make a huge difference.
Exactly. Gratitude means thinking about things you are thankful for, like your family, health, or opportunities.
Even small things like a cup of coffee or a sunny morning can make you feel happier and more motivated.
Positive thinking also helps you face challenges with a better attitude. Instead of focusing on problems, you focus on solutions.
You can even spend 1 or 2 minutes writing down 3 things you are grateful for every morning.
It's a simple habit, but it trains your brain to look for good things instead of getting stuck on negative thoughts.
Exactly. And when your mindset is positive, other habits like planning your day or moving your body become easier to do.
So, habit number 6. Start your morning with gratitude or positive thinking. Your day will feel brighter and more productive.
Next, habit number 7 is about learning something new every morning.
All right, Julia. Habit number 7 is learn something new every morning.
Yes, successful people never stop learning, and mornings are the perfect time to do this.
Even just 10 to 15 minutes of reading, listening, or learning English can make a big difference over time.
Exactly. It could be a book, a podcast, an article, or even watching a short educational video.
Learning in the morning is great because your mind is fresh and more focused after sleeping.
And when you learn something new every day, you slowly grow your knowledge, skills, and confidence.
Yes, learning is not just for school, it's for life. Every small step adds up.
So habit number 7, dedicate a few minutes in the morning to learn something new. Your brain will thank you.
Next, habit number 8 is about nourishing your body for energy. All right, Julia. Habit number 8 is eat a healthy breakfast.
Yes. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, and it gives your body the energy it needs to start strong.
Exactly. A healthy breakfast helps your brain focus, improves your mood, and keeps your energy steady until lunch.
It doesn't have to be complicated. Even something simple like fruit, eggs, or oatmeal is enough.
And remember, sugary foods may give quick energy, but they can make you feel tired later. Healthy foods give long-lasting energy.
Right. Eating well in the morning also helps you make better food choices during the day.
So habit number 8, eat a healthy breakfast and fuel your body for success.
Next, habit number 9 is something very interesting. It's about imagining your future.
All right, Julia, habit number 9 is visualize success.
Yes, visualization means imagining your goals and dreams clearly in your mind.
Successful people often spend a few minutes each morning seeing themselves succeed, finishing a task, speaking English confidently, or achieving a goal.
It's like training your mind to believe you can do it. Your brain starts thinking of ways to make it real.
Exactly. Visualization creates focus and motivation. It makes challenges easier because you already see yourself succeeding.
You don't need fancy techniques. Just close your eyes for a minute, imagine your goals, and feel the success.
It's a small habit, but very powerful. It shapes your mindset and your actions throughout the day.
So, habit number 9, visualize your success every morning and set your mind for achievement.
And finally, habit number 10. This one is about taking your time and starting calm. All right, Julia. Habit number 10 is avoid rushing in the morning.
Yes, many people start their day in a hurry, rushing to get ready, checking emails, and running out the door.
But rushing creates stress and affects your focus, mood, and energy. You feel behind all day.
Exactly. Successful people take their time in the morning. They move calmly from one habit to the next.
Even if it's just a few extra minutes, being intentional and calm helps you start the day with control and confidence.
Yes, when you avoid rushing, you also make better decisions, feel less stressed, and enjoy your morning more.
So, habit number 10. Start your morning calmly, take your time, and set a peaceful tone for the day.
And that's it. 10 powerful morning habits that can change your life if you practice them consistently.
All right, Julia, let's quickly recap the 10 morning habits we talked about today.
Sure. First, wake up early. Second, don't touch your phone first. Third, drink water. Fourth, move your body.
Fifth, plan your day. Sixth, practice gratitude or positive thinking. Seventh, learn something new. Eighth, eat a healthy breakfast.
Ninth, visualize success. And 10th, avoid rushing, start your morning calmly.
All of these habits are simple, but if you practice them every day, they can make a big difference in your life.
Remember, you don't need to do all 10 at once. Start with 1 or 2 and slowly add more. Consistency is the key.
Yes, small, daily actions build success over time. And the best part, these habits also help you improve your English and your personal growth.
So start tomorrow morning with one new habit. Notice the changes in your energy, focus, and confidence.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of the English Learning Podcast.
Yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. And comment below which habit you want to try first.
We can't wait to hear about your mornings. See you in the next episode.
Have a successful morning and a great day.